Hi guys, today I'm going to make chocolate orange cheesecake. Firstly, wrap the tin base in cling film. Add 150 grams of melted butter into 300 grams of crushed biscuits. Mix it well. Put the mixture in the tin and then put it in the fridge. Now add 2 tubs of cream cheese to your mixer. Mix it well. Gradually add 100 grams of icing sugar. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of orange essence and add the food coloring to your desired shade. Then add 300 ml of double cream. Mix it until it's thick and creamy. Add the mixture to the tin and spread it evenly. Pour 150 grams of melted chocolate on top. And then use Terry's chocolate orange minis to decorate. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye!